How to fix wired headphone not working on your Android device. Well, hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Let me go through quick and easy on steps on how you can fix if your wired headphones or earphones is not working on Android. Well, the first step is to check the headphones. You can plug the headphone in any other device and check if it is not the issue with your device itself, that is with your headphones. Now, if that's not the issue, once you have plugged in on your device, make sure that you have increased the level of volume on both your headphone and your phone as well. You can also check for audio settings. If there is any settings within the audio, mainly on the advanced features section where you'll get most of the audio. Other effects here you can see. You can also head into sounds and vibration and check the system sound, volume and such. The other thing to do, one of the most common steps to fix the issue, is to restart your device. Press and hold your power button there and you should get the option power off, restart. Here, tap on restart and go ahead and proceed to restart your device and check if the issue is fixed. So if that's not the case, then it might be the issue within the software. To fix it, you want to head into settings, head into software update and check if there is any update available and make sure you're updated to the latest version of your software. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe as well.